I'm William Grantham with Ichimoku Weather.com, and today we're taking a look at iShares U.S. Infrastructure ETF. This is part of the Trade A Day Challenge and Trading Plan, so I'll show you how I would construct a basic trading plan based on an entry close to where we close today. That would be at $36.56. 10% below that is $32.90, and 10% above is at $40.22. If we take our entry at $36.56 and subtract 32.8, that gives us 3.66. Our average true range is 51 cents. Divide that into the 3.66 and it gives us 7.18. That means if market price moves on average the 51 cents, it could take up to 7 days to go where it's currently at down to where our stop is at. We do have the cloud in between our entry and our stop, so hopefully that will give us support enough to be able to move up to the target price rather than down to the stop price. Market action came into the year above the cloud and was able to ride it up for all the way, staying above the cloud without even touching. We are quite a ways above the black 200-period simple moving average. However, we do have a Kumo cross to the downside where the blue Tenkan-sen did cross underneath the red Kijun-sen. So that means that we are currently in a bearish channel. We are hoping that this consolidation continues to move up rather than down, and that will close the lines, and that will give us another cross of the Tenkan-sen back above the Kijun-sen, and that will put us into a bullish channel, and hopefully that will take us up to the target. We can see on this weekly chart that this ETF is fairly new, starting off in 2018. We can see the COVID drop here as it came down and made the low of 16.69. And then from there, it had the nice big rise like most other things did within the market. Came up, got above the blue line on the weekly, and has been riding it ever since, and not even coming down and touching the red line. And so we are currently sitting up at the blue line, and we are above it just a little bit, so that does give us support below, as well a little bit of the red line right above our stop. 37.40 has been the all-time high for this ETF, so we're hoping to surpass that and move up to our target at $40.22. I'm William Grantham with Ichimoku Weather.com, and this is our trading plan for IFRA, iShares U.S. Infrastructure ETF.